This edition of the What's Inside series looks at the workings of the Zenith V12 carburettor. This model of carburettor was fitted to Talbot models from the early 1930s up until the end of production. It was an advanced carburettor for its day and continued in only very smallly modified form through into the 1950s. In terms of identifying the carburettor, there are two crucial things to look at. One is the type stamped on here, so this says type 36 V12, and that is the type of carburettor that was fitted to the later Talbot 75s in downdraft version. If it had been a 48 V12, then that would have been fitted to the larger engined cars. The second form of identification is stamped on the choke tube down in the throat of the carburettor, which will be the diameter of that choke. And again, in the Talbot technical manual you can see what is the correct diameter for your particular carburettor.